Last summer, my dad, who's a courier driver, was hauling a few hundred cans of bright orange paint used for road work. Now, our city's roads are full of potholes, and after hitting a few, one box flew off his trailer and exploded. Imagine aerosol cans bouncing across the road, shooting neon orange clouds everywhere. One unlucky BMW drove right through the chaos and got absolutely coated. My dad pulled over to apologize, but all he could see was a full-on art installation of orange paint across the street and the BMW. The best part? That mess stayed on the road for weeks. I still laugh just thinking about it.